J&J shares, they're falling today on new developments in the company's talc bankruptcy case. Our Meg Terrell joins us now with more. This report just came out a short time ago. Shares started moving. Feels like it's just filtering through the market. Meg, what do we need to know?
Yeah, Scott, this is a big decision by the U.S. Appeals Court, essentially tossing out J&J's attempt to put its talc liabilities into bankruptcy. Now, this has been going on for a long time now, and there are more than 38,000 suits that have been filed against J&J claiming that its talc, baby powder, and similar products have been linked to cancer. Now, as J&J was litigating these individually, it won some, it lost some were settled. One award it had to pay was more than $2 billion. And so it did this sort of complicated maneuver known as a Texas two-step, where it took out the liabilities and put them into its own unit and then filed that for bankruptcy. And this has been working its way through the court system. But now this appeals court has essentially said that's not going to work. They say, quote, good intentions such as to protect the J&J brand or comprehensively resolve litigation do not suffice alone. What counts to access the bankruptcy code's safe harbor is to meet its intended purposes. Only a putative debtor in financial distress can do so. LTL, which is the name of that entity it created, was not. Thus, we dismiss its petition. J&J already saying here it plans to challenge the Third Circuit's ruling. It says it initiated this process in good faith, and its objective has been to equitably resolve claims related to the company's cosmetic talc litigation. It says the ruling does not reflect the facts established during the bankruptcy court's trial regarding the appropriateness of the formation and filing, nor is the company's intention to officially resolve the cosmetic talc litigation for the benefit of all parties, including current and future claimants. So this is going to continue. They could potentially appeal. We'll see if they take it up to an even higher court. And Scott, it'd be very interesting if they did so, because they're not the only company to try to use this quote unquote Texas two-step idea. This is something that's been used a number of times before. So whether the Supreme Court wants to take that up and consider it as a larger corporate question could be something to watch. Scott?
We're definitely watching it today. You mentioned a $2 billion, I think you said, resolution in one of the cases. Do you have any idea what estimates have been or may be in terms of total liability that J&J could face as a result of all of this litigation?
It's so hard to try to figure that out because, 38,000 cases, potentially more coming in. And J&J's whole argument in doing this was it said, we can't take on all of these individually. We have to, put a stop to it somehow and, set aside a certain amount of money. They said $2 billion they'd sort of put aside for this, for all of it. If they have to take it back now and go through these one by one, what could that amount to? I haven't seen good estimates on that, and maybe we'll start to see them now as analysts start to parse through this. But certainly it was not the outcome J&J wanted.
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate the reporting. Meg, thank you very much. That's Meg Terrell joining us here on the Halftime Report. So you own it in the Joe T. This sort of shifts the burden or the liability to the balance sheet, perhaps.
Yeah.
That's what the market worry is.
So they have to have a loss provision. The $2 billion settlement, which in 21 ultimately I think went to the Supreme Court, was $4 billion that was set aside. $2 billion ultimately was paid out. So you have to make the determination here. What's the loan loss? Not the loan loss. What's the provision going to be here? Potentially. So that really creates an environment where the stock might be a little bit sideways for some time. And also, it's interesting because on this move, if you pull up 3M's down a little because they're trying to use a similar Texas two-step strategy. They've got some lawsuits with military veterans with earplugs impeding the loss of hearing. So 3M's down as well. But I think as an owner of J&J, I think you just have to expect now that this might be, at best, tread water.